In this video, I will guide you on how to power off the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. This also applies to the Samsung Galaxy S26 as well. By default, if you try to long press on the power button to power off your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, it will usually open up Google Gemini or Bixby, which is Samsung's AI, and that is not exactly what we need. So to power off or turn off your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra properly, all you have to do is to long press on the power button and the volume down button simultaneously. Just press and hold, and you're going to get the power menu to now power off your device directly from here. Another option is to basically just swipe down through the control center, and once you tap on the power icon at the top right, you're going to see the power menu again. You can as well go ahead and power off your device by tapping on the power off option. Interestingly, if you want to be able to only use the power button to power off or turn off your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, for that you would have to go over to the settings. From the settings, you want to scroll all the way down to advanced features, tap on that, and then to side button. Currently, long press on side button actually takes us to Google's Gemini or digital assistant, and so you want to go ahead and set it to power off menu. And finally, at this point, if you long press on only the power button, it actually opens up the power menu from which you can now turn off or power off your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If this was helpful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.